When the SP-5 DP or the SP-5.3 is powered on, this is going to be the default welding screen. Let's take a look at what each box and each symbol means so that we can understand what we're looking at. Starting on the top left, we can see T1. This is torch number 1 selected. If we change to steel or silicone bronze, that number will change. To the right of that, we can see the welder is in pulse mode. We can also be in synergic or manual mode, in which that will change. On the top right, we can see that we're in a standard 2T trigger mode, which is going to be the most common. Trigger on to weld, and when you're completed, let go of the trigger. Some OEMs may require a 4T for a more advanced trigger setting. Underneath that, we see that we have 2 boxes. We have a left and a right box. Both of these have to do with the synergic curve, and these are not boxes or settings that we need to change or worry about. Underneath that, on the left-hand side, we can see that we have our material thickness box. This is the only setting that we need to typically change. Change the material thickness to change your weld setting. To the right of that, we have our balance box. We recommend that you keep this at 0 for most welding applications. But if you do decide to go positive, this will make your weld bead wider without affecting the penetration level. If you go negative on this setting, it will make your weld bead narrower without affecting your penetration level. And finally, underneath, we have our welding material setting. Right now, it defaults to aluminum 5554, which is the Ford welding wire with a 1.2 diameter and 100% argon gas.